Hello everybody, I am Nadeem from Explore Techno YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to give you quick review about Samsung Galaxy Buds. Yes, it is awesome buds and it is very easy to use. So in this video, I am going to give you one quick review about this buds. Samsung has launched this buds with Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile. Yes, it is very easy to use and it provides amazing sound effect. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The price of this product is Indian 10,000 rupees, which is around $100. Yes, the box size is the box size is not a big, but you can easily carry it in your hand. And here you will find some information at this side, and at this side you will at this side you will get some quality about this product. And it is not much with the box, so let me open the box. In the box you will find this is small box, yes, and our earbuds. So in this small box you will find one cable charge. Yes, by using this Type-C cable you can charge these buds, but you can charge these buds without cable as well. So please watch this video till the end. You will find all the tips at the end of this video. So in this little box you will find Type-C charger, Type-C cable, and some pair of earbuds. Yes, you will get four pair here. You will get 3 pair. Yes. And in our box here you will find Galaxy Buds. Here it is a LED light. When I open this box, let me open it. I just open it and it will turn light. It is a LED light which turns on when you open the box. Here you will get 2 earbuds, and it is wireless charging. So from this part the earbuds will charge. So when you take this buds in your hand, the light will turn on, so you will know that the earbuds is out of the box. Yes, and when you put it down, the one light will also blink here. It is not a magnetic box, but you will get feeling like it is a magnetic box. So let me open it again. Here I just open it, and let me take my S10 mobile. Here I just open my lock, and I have to connect it. And here I just open my box. When you take the earbuds, when you open the earbuds and take them near to the phone, it will automatically connect. Yes, here you can see they have automatically connected. Here I just have to open it, but first let me put my phone on aeroplane mode. So here I just have to, it will connect very fast. Here I just have to open it again. So once I open it, I think it is not working when the phone is on airplane mode. So I will have to remove the airplane mode again. Yes, you can see it will not work when your phone is put on aeroplane mode. So once you open the box and you will take your box near to your phone, it will automatically connect, and you have to click on connect button, and it will connect very fast. You can see. Yes, plus it will show the battery life as well. Here you just have to drop out the notification, and here you have to click on this option. Yes, and here you have to click on open Galaxy wearable app. Yes, it will automatically connect very fast, and here you can see the battery life as well. Here you will get lots of options which you have to choose according to your needs. It is very easy to use, and the sound quality of this product is awesome. Yes, you will get the value for the money. I would highly recommend you. If you are interested to buy this product, you will find link in the description. But let me give you one more quick best things about this product. You can charge it you can charge it without connecting the wire. Let me close out. Yes, I just place my mobile here, and I just put charger on this mobile. I just put box on this mobile. It will automatically charge, I think. I just have to put it here, and after a few, I don't know why it is taking some time right now. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you have to enable this option first. Let me give one more chance, please. I'm sorry for this issue. First you have to click on wireless powers here. Yes, I'm so sorry for that. Once you enable this option, when you put the box on the mobile, it will charge automatically. Yes, you just have to put it, and yes, you will get charging notification as well. The light will blinks. So this is the best earbuds you can ever buy. The sound quality is also awesome, and you can charge it without using Type-C cable. It is awesome product which is made by Samsung, and I would highly recommend you to use it. You will get awesome experience with this earbuds. So that's it for now. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment. I would love to help you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. And I am going to share my PayPal link in the description of video, so you can donate me. It will help me a lot to create more and more valuable content for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.